Alright, so this has come up on a couple different things when we want to talk about the IT band. We got a post coming out about it today as well. Check that out at totalathletictherapy.com. That'll just kind of highlight some more things about the IT band and why it doesn't stretch and why we don't think that's the case. But wanted to go over this one real quickly because foam rolling the IT band can be really painful and something that we don't really recommend, especially on your traditional 6-inch foam roller. So we want to use an AccuMobility ball, which you can find on Amazon, find at Rogue, which we'll send and link up in the bottom of these. But what we're going to try and do is use the edge of a wall, which works really well, and we're going to pin that AccuMobility ball against the wall and against our lateral quad. That's really what we're going to want to focus on. So when we're doing this, we want to be able to sink into it and control that as much as possible to where we can rotate forward and back, that rotation on it, and then really pin and stretch to help work through those tight tissues, but at the same time not really go and dig into that area super hard like laying on a foam roll. You can control that pressure better, which is going to help out a lot. When it comes to that, you can do the same thing with the TFL, sinking it into that muscle up high, rotating forward and back, and then swinging legs front and back as well. So overall, really easy thing, super handy. You can mount anywhere. You can put on a rack if you've got a bolt sticking out that you can mount it to, or it's got a little bit of stick to it so it kind of holds to the wall well. Great for a lot of other things, but really this is our go-to when it comes to the IT band and working that lateral quad to help loosen up that tightness.